Someone once said, "We don't know where we're going if we don't know where we've been." Let's talk about journaling. Don't go away. Hi, this is Tim from TradingStrategyGuides.com. Welcome back to our channel. Trading is about probabilities and statistics. We develop strategies, we test strategies, we record the results, we review our performance and improve our strategy based on the results of our review. Taking the time to record our results in detail is what allows that cycle to work, including our mindset during the course of our trades. Today we're going to talk about the trading journal. If you want to improve your trading performance, or maybe you simply want to know what's the thing that's holding your trading back, or why you keep repeating the same mistakes over and over and over again, you need to start a trading journal. The real truth is that you can take your trading to a whole new level and achieve impressive results by simply using a trading journal properly. When it comes to your trading journal, you need to be meticulous and detailed, so make sure you keep a record of all your trading ideas and trading results, because this information can help you later discover why you're losing money and how you can improve your trading results. A trading journal can simply help us track our performance and our overall progress towards achieving our goals. Although there are many possibilities of what you can be recording in your trading journal, we're going to take a look at a couple of tips and a few suggestions for you to start off with to help you really build upon your first trading journal. A lot of traders make the mistake of only using their trading journal to track information about their entries and exits, or things like their entry price and exit price, the amount of profit and loss they've made, the position size, and all the other things related to a trade. Don't get me wrong, you definitely want to include this sort of information because it's a good habit that won't cause any harm and actually might be quite productive in the future. However, that information is already available in your trade history on your trading platform, which means it's pointless to focus your trading journal on that information alone. Instead, what you want to do is keep a detailed record of different market trade scenarios. A trading scenario doesn't include only the entry and exit prices, but also the whole story and the reasons behind the trade. It might take some time, but at the end of the day, you can simply reserve some time for this purpose and record this information. If you want to become a pro, you might want to reserve some time at the end of the week to revise and go through the different notes that you have written down. If you want to see a massive difference in your trading performance, you can start by following this simple step-by-step video. As a tip and general recommendation, you can categorize the trade you've taken into 3 different groups. Trading ideas that followed your plan and trading strategy, trading ideas that you didn't take or you missed for some reason, and new trading ideas that you have come across in the market. The first thing you want to focus your trading journal on is those trading ideas that you have taken and which are in conformity with your trading plan and your strategy. In other words, the ones that followed your rules. Now, if you have no idea what things that should be added during this process, here's a template you can follow. The top of your trading journal should start with the following information: the date and time of the trade, the instrument or market, the stock symbol, currency pair, whatever, the time frame you traded from. Add more time frames if you're using multiple time frame analysis. The entry price, stop loss, and take profit prices. The size of your trade, the profit or loss on the trade, the reasons behind the trade. In other words, why you entered the trade, whether it's based on price action, technical indicators, combination of both. Simply put, whatever the reason that got you into the trade in the first place. Most importantly, whether the trade fits into the trade criteria of your system. Or in other words, did it follow your rules? Underneath that, you can place relevant screenshots of your technical chart that can be annotated with further explanations. You can also take a screenshot after you exit the trade with additional notes so you can easily see in the future whether this was the best exit plan or not. Additionally, you could add information about your money management and the psychological side of your trading or your trading mindset. Here are the things that need to go under your money management section. How much risk has been taken? What's the expected profit from the trade? And what is the resulting reward to risk ratio? Finally, you should write about your trading psychology, which is related to what you were thinking and feeling during the course of the trade. Were you emotionally neutral during the trade and during the decision to execute this trade? Was there anything or anyone that was influencing your decisions from a psychological point of view? Did you close the trade when your target was reached, or did you become greedy and break your rules? Did you allow the trade to go past the stop loss because the fear of losing became hoping the trade would turn in your favor? At the bottom of your trading journal, you can also add extra notes that are relevant. For example, you could list some lessons you've learned from your trades. You need to put in the time and the hard work to keep your trading journal updated because, as you can see, it's quite a detailed process. It's really important that you do this because it's going to help you refine your trading much quicker. A trading journal is going to help you when it comes time to optimizing your trading strategy, and it's going to keep you disciplined and truthful to your system. This is really the way to get the very best out of yourself as a trader. The second thing you want to focus your trading journal on is those trades that for whatever reason you didn't take or you missed them. You basically want to cover the same points as you do for the executed trades, except this time you need to be very honest with yourself and write down the things that you put off. Maybe you got scared because the market was moving too fast in your support zone and you were afraid to jump in despite your trading strategy telling you to buy. Or maybe you didn't take a trade because of some news event, even though your trading system is purely based on technical analysis. Make it very clear in your notes that these trading opportunities haven't been executed as a trade. Also, note down what you would do differently in the future. It's important to describe the reasons why you didn't take a trade because this will help you next time when you're in the same situation to not make the same mistake again. Finally, the last thing you want to focus your trading journal on is the new trading ideas that you come across in the market. This is a really straightforward process as you need to take screenshots and notes of the different new trading setups you identify in the market. You can build a database of different trade setups and trading scenarios that you have found interesting. However, what is most important and relevant is to backtest these new trade setups to see if there is really an edge behind your new trading idea. I have said it lots of times. If you want to become a professional trader, you need to start treating trading like any other business. Even though it might look like a tedious process, successful companies have a system in place so they can track the things going on inside their company. A trading journal is going to be a lot of help if you're still struggling with discipline and will help you to be in sync with the market. If you want to be consistent with your trading activities, you should run it like a business. Until then, you're not going to be profitable. And finally, don't take shortcuts. Success only comes to those that put in the work. And that, my friends, is all for today's video. Come back for my videos on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. New York time. Don't hesitate to ask any questions you may have. Remember, the only stupid question is the unasked one. If this video helped you, smash that like below. Subscribe and hit the bell if you want to be notified of our videos in the future. Have a great Wednesday, and I'll see you on Friday.